Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Nick and today we will talk about how to download and play Immortal World Chaos on your PC or laptop. So Immortal Chaos is a mobile game, and the only way how you can play this game on your PC is install an Android emulator. So I use LD Player, now on your screen you can see how an Android emulator looks like. But you can install any Android emulator, for example BlueStacks or Mumu Android emulator, and first of all I will show you how to download an Android emulator. First of all, just open up a browser and type here LD Player or BlueStacks and go to their official website. And here you can easily download their Android emulator just by clicking on this yellow button. So let's click on it, and now at the top right just run the installer to download this emulator. Okay, after that on your desktop or in the start menu you can find LD Player 9 and open it up, and you will see this virtual phone on your computer. Okay, now find the System Apps folder and here open up Play Store. And firstly, of course, you need to sign in or sign up, and after that you can easily search for the necessary game. In our case, Immortal World Chaos. Here it is. Now this game has only about 10,000 downloads, but it already has a really good tracing. So now let's install it just by clicking on the install button. Yeah, and we need to install about 400 megabytes on our PC. And as you can see, Immortal World Chaos is installed. So now let's open it up, and finally we can start playing this game on my PC. Now I need to create an account. Okay, and that's all. So select the necessary server and click on the enter button. Of course you can create your character. So it's very cool way how you can play this game on your PC, and as you can see it works really cool and correctly. Hope my video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.